This lecture, The Assassination of the Archduke, will chronicle some of the key developments leading up to the start of the First World War. The Archduke's visit. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Archduchess Sophia visited Sarajevo, a small town located in Bosnia, part of Austria-Hungary. The Archduke was heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary. The emperor at this time was Franz Joseph. Europe at this time was a powder keg of dynamite because of the tensions that had been building up for decades between the powers of Europe. There were two key alliances in 1914, the Triple Entente and the Triple Alliance. The Triple Entente was composed of the United Kingdom, France, and Russia. The Triple Alliance was comprised of Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. A special note about Italy is that they switched sides early in the war. Take a moment to label these alliances on the graphic organizer provided. Where is Sarajevo? Sarajevo is located in Bosnia. In 1908, Bosnia was taken over by Austria-Hungary. As a result, relations were very tense between the two when the Archduke came to visit Sarajevo. The Archduke arrives. The Archduke and his wife had been assured by the mayor of Sarajevo that they would be safe as their motorcade toured the town. They were welcomed by a large crowd, but many Serbs in the area despised the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Serbia was a separate country and was unhappy that their brothers in Bosnia had been taken over by the Austro-Hungarian Empire in 1908. Are they really safe? As their motorcade passed Town Hall, a bomb was thrown in front of the car. The Archduke and his wife were unharmed. The mayor convinced them that the tour should continue and that they will be safe. Soon after, the Archduke and his wife visited those injured in the hospital, thus changing their intended route of tour. This would create an opportunity for the assassin later on. The assassination. After visiting those injured in the bomb attack, the Archduke continued with the tour. A young man by the name of Gavrilo Princip stepped up to the car and fired 2 shots. The first hit the Archduke in the throat. The second struck his wife in the stomach. Her last words to her husband were, "Stay alive for the children." Both the Archduke and his wife died shortly thereafter. The Assassin and the Black Hand. Gavrilo Princip was a member of the Black Hand, a Serbian terrorist group who wanted to reunify Bosnia with Serbia. Remember, many Serbs lived within Bosnia. The assassination of the Archduke and his wife was the final spark that ignited World War I. There were a number of other important factors: militarism, the development of alliances, imperialism, and nationalism. These are known by the acronym MAIN. The aftermath. After the assassination, Princip and other members of the Black Hand attempted suicide through poisoning but failed. The death of the Archduke greatly angered Austria-Hungary. An ultimatum was soon issued to Serbia. An ultimatum is a list of demands to meet certain conditions or face the consequences. Austria-Hungary issued this ultimatum to Serbia because they believed Serbia had not done enough to suppress the terrorist group, the Black Hand.